Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Nadine Michelle Art. I am Nadine, thank you for being here. Now I'm gonna make some more coasters. I figured with the holidays coming up, it's a good idea to make more stuff like this, you know. So I'm gonna use leftover colors and make 4 coasters. These are just tiles. I get these at Home Depot. I usually buy the box. It's like, I don't know, $7, $10, somewhere in there. And then I tape the back of them with painter's tape because I'm OCD and I don't want to get paint all over the back, even though it'll be covered by the cork, but you know, yeah. And then you also want to take rubbing alcohol, like 91%, and wipe it off really good to clean them. Because I am going to be resining them after the fact, so you don't want any like dust or big hairs or anything like that in those if you're resining. It'll make it very hard. Okay, so the paints I'm using, they were mixed 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. The pouring medium I used is 75% Floetrol to 25% GAC 800. And then if I need to thin them down further, I use a mix of mostly water. And then the rest is GAC 800. But it's just a bottle in here. And like I fill it like all the way up with water, and then it's just a tiny bit of GAC 800. It just helps it to mix better when you're mixing it. Okay, now my pouring medium is a rough estimate. I don't measure it all, you guys, so I'm kind of guessing there. Okay. And these are all leftover colors, which were mixed pretty thin. They were mixed for like a Gina DeLuca style thin straight pour. Okay. So yes, I'm thinking I'm gonna do some straight pours on these coasters. And what I wanna do is I wanna wreck them like I do with the flip cups. But I'm always too scared to do that with like a Gina DeLuca style straight pour. I don't know, it scares me to do that. So I'm gonna try it on the coaster first and see if I like it. Yeah, it kind of scares me, but it'll be okay. So, but because the paints for this was mixed really thin, you want to make sure you cover your edges because otherwise you don't get good coverage on the sides. I actually made that mistake when I did the canvas. I didn't cover my sides and now I regret it, but it's okay. Go back and fix them. So I'm just gonna cover my edges here. It doesn't have to be like a perfect job. You just like do it really quickly here and just cover your sides. It's just so we get coverage there. And so the tile is not showing through because we don't want that. Okay, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just to cover your sides and right in here. Make sure you have good coverage. Okay, so I'm gonna set that one on the side because I just painted it, and then we'll go back to that one. But these ones I already pre-did. So all the sides are covered, and that's just straight paint. That's not pre-mixed fluid paint. Okay, you just want straight paint when you do that. Okay, so we're just gonna get into it here and make some coasters. Okay, so here's the colors we're gonna be using in today's pour. We have Prussian blue. This is by Golden. This is our base coat, so it's pretty thin. It's just sinking. Okay. And the next color, this is Golden Iridescent Pearl in the heavy body. So it's leaving a really small mound, but then it disappears. Okay, And the next one, this is Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. So it leaves a small mound, but then disappears. So it's pretty thin, a little thinner than I'm used to working with, honestly. And then our last but final color is the Decor Americana Decor Metallics. And this is sterling silver. And then I added just a couple drops of black to deepen it. Okay. These paints are really thin. We are going to put on our base coat first. And then after that, we will layer our cup. And I think I'm gonna do a dirty cup, and then I'm gonna straight pour it and then wreck it, even if it hurts me inside a little. But I wanted to practice that and see how I like it with the straight pour. Okay. All right, so we're going to put our base coat on. Absolutely love this color. This is one of my favoriteest colors. Now I'm going to use a measuring cup. This is a 1 ounce measuring cup. Pouring on tiles for me can actually be more challenging because you only have a small surface area, so you have to use really small amounts of paint. So that's another reason why I use this cup, to kind of control that. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do like I would a normal straight pour and put a little bit of my background color in here. The only difference is I want to do more than one layer of colors. So I want to do like 2 and a layered cup, I think. No, a dirty pour, I lied. Dirty pour from up high, straight pour. I'm going to wreck with like 2 layers of color. Okay, that was our gold. And we're gonna do the pearl. Some silver. And then a little bit of blue. A little more gold. And then our pearl. That should be good. Kind of filled it too high, but that's okay. Alright, yeah, it looks weird, but it's okay. Alright, we're gonna do a straight pour. Way too much paint, that is for certain. It's okay, we're gonna wreck it. Okay. Okay, that was a light wreck. I just want to give it a go and see how I like it. We're gonna torch our air bubbles now. Okay, and then now we're gonna tilt this out. Not at all. Okay, let's do that again. See, everybody makes mistakes, okay? And not everyone comes up with a masterpiece, just so you know. We all have mistakes, so. I'm trying to let it percolate. Sit for a couple minutes here. Doesn't work. I might have to do flip cups. I don't know. And it could be just because it's a smaller surface area, like I was telling you. It's hard for me to paint on a smaller surface. On and tilt it out. We're gonna try a flip cup instead. I don't know. I just can't. I don't know if it's because it's thin or what, but like, or if I'm putting too much paint on still, which could very well be possible. But yeah, we're just gonna try this and see. Try a layered flip cup and see if that makes a difference. I don't know what's going on here. All right, we're gonna do a little blue. Now we're gonna do some white. We're gonna do a layered one. We're gonna try that. I don't know, something's going on here and it's just not cooperating with me. We're gonna do some gold. Some silver. Just a little bit of silver tends to take over a lot, I've noticed. And then some blue. 1, 2, and looks pretty. And now we're gonna tilt it out. This one, you guys, I might go back to it, but for now, that's that one. Okay. All right, I'm not gonna like put all of these probably like in the video. Probably speed some of this up because it's like the same thing over and over. Okay. That's better. Not sure if I'm gonna keep this one or not. Haven't decided. We'll see. You ready? I'm gonna lift it and probably try to come like this way with it. Hope I like that one, to be honest with you guys. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna tilt this one. What do you guys think of this one? One's more my kind of speed. I don't know. No, I don't really like this one. I think we're gonna have to rectify this situation here. Well, what do you think? A lot better. Yeah, I didn't like that other one. This is not my style. I really love this color palette. I just can't like, I have to figure out how to do it on the tiles good. these are. I like how these came out now. I'm gonna take you down. Here's the first one. The next one. That's cool. Okay, the third one. This one. And here they are. Thank you for watching. I will post another video about how I finished them if you're interested. But thank you for watching. Nadine, Michelle, Art. Have a good day. Bye. Hi you guys, it's me Nadine. I just wanted to show you what did end up happening to these coasters, unfortunately. As you can see, they do not look anything like what I poured, okay? Yeah, and they all look like that. Every single one looks this way. So, I'm gonna go down closer. But yeah, see how it looks. So, what I think is happening, I have painted like 4 or 5 different canvases with the same exact color palette. And what I've been noticing is that for some reason with the Prussian blue, with these metallics, you have to go thicker. I feel like if it's too thin, it like swallows up your colors and then your cells lose shape and it does not look like what you poured. So I think that's what's going on there. So I'm gonna try these again and go thicker. So I just wanted to show you what happens with this color palette if you go too thin. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.